On this episode of Learning Explorer, we're going to learn how to write a letter. I use animal letters to help me write my letters correctly. If you missed out on what an animal letter is, check out the Learn to Write with Safari Sam video. I'll leave a link in the description below. If you want to practice your letters with me, download our free letter writing template found on our link tree. Let's begin by talking about where you should not start writing your letters. That's right, where you should not start writing your letters. A letter can start almost anywhere, except for one place. When I write letters, if I want to write them really nice, I never start at the bottom. Today, we're going to learn how to write the letter X. Do you remember what animal letter the lowercase x is? That's right, it is a chicken letter. I'm showing you how to write both upper and lowercase letters. However, I want to focus on how to write the lowercase letters because it's what we use most when we write. When we do each letter, we do it 2 times. The first time, we use the dotted lines. The second time, we don't use any lines at all. Are you ready? This is a pretty cool letter, I have to confess. I love the letter X. Okay, do you have your paper and your pencil? Okay, let's get started. I'm gonna go right up here on the uppercase X and I'm gonna go down diagonally. Follow me. Keep going all the way to the bottom. And then I'm going to stop. And then I go back to the top and I'm going to do the diagonal line down this way. How many diagonal lines is that? That's right, 2. There is the uppercase X. Now with the lowercase x, it looks just like the uppercase X. But this time I'm going to start at the dotted line in the middle and I'm going to go down. You ready? Here we go. Diagonally down. Are you doing it with me? Good job. Then I come over here and I go diagonally down this way. Wow, I didn't follow that dotted line too good, but that's okay. Mistakes happen. I love mistakes. Why? Because it gives us the opportunity to try it again and get better and better as we do try. Well, it's time to do the X without the dotted lines. Okay, let me erase this. Erase, erase, erase. Okay, here we go. Let's do it without the dotted lines. Are you ready? Here we go. Okay, I'm gonna two diagonal lines. I have to write 2 diagonal lines to make that X. First I go this way, and I go down. Are you ready? Put your pencil up there. You ready? Let's go. Diagonal line down this way. And then I come back to the top and do a diagonal line the other way. Crossing it right at that dotted line. There's my X. You know what? I really like my X. Okay. Now, I made a little mistake on the dotted X. Let's see if I can do a better job doing the lowercase x without it. Okay, I'm going to start right here, and I go diagonally down, all the way to the bottom line. I pick up my pencil, and I come over here and do it again, making sure I cross over. There you go. That's a way better X. I did a great job that time. I like that letter X. How's your letter X look? I'll bet it looks just like mine. You guys are fantastic. All right, we're finished writing the letter X, and I hope you had fun because I sure did. And I hope you come back and join me as we write another letter. Until next time, bye.